Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Growing Pilots YouTube channel. Today I want to talk to you about the Minimax series of aircraft tugs. A clever little device I think you'll like, made by a GPA member right over here in Indiana. Please hit the notification bell and also hit the like button. This helps in our ratings with the videos, and we appreciate it. And be sure to hit the subscribe button. Thank you. And we at Yankee Aviation, we're going to be buying one to have as a demo on premises. So when folks come in, they can try it out on their Grumman. So stay tuned when we get it at Yankee Aviation. So as we said, a clever little tool for getting your airplane in and out of a hangar, especially for older folks on an uphill battle. Hope you found all this useful, interesting, and informative. Thanks for watching, and have a good day flying or parking your Grumman. And in addition, there's a little treat about 3 o'clock in the morning when I'm doing web work and other stuff. Here's my cat coming down, playing with a mouse and meowing and just having a good time with me in the wee hours of the night. So I thought I'd throw this into you as a little treat. Y'all please enjoy.